Find square root of 841. Root of 841. When we are finding the square root by long division method, first group the given number from right to left side. Each consists 2 digits. So here in 841, 41 is a group and another group is 8. That is in the left side group, it is only 1 digit. Sometimes there will be 2 digits, or sometimes there will be 1 digit. Then check whether the left side group is a perfect square or not. Perfect square means if we multiply two same numbers, the product is called a perfect square. Like 1 into 1, 1. So 1 is a square. 2 into 2, 4, 4 is a perfect square. 3 into 3, 9, 9 is a perfect square. Then to do this long division method easily, you should study the perfect squares and square root of those up to 10. Up to 10. That is 10 into 10, 100. 100 is a perfect square, its square root is 10. So up to 9 we can write in the long division method. So you should by heart it. Then we can calculate it very easily. Here 8 is not a perfect square. The perfect square just before 8 is 4. Its square root is 2. So here on the quotient, we write the quotient as the above the line. And on left side also you write 2. Then 2 into 2, 4. Then subtract 8 minus 4, 4. Then bring down the next group, 41. Means double of the quotient in the left side of this for 41. By leaving one place for 1 digit. Here this is the last group and it ends in 1. If a number ends in 1, guess by which 2 digits or 2 numbers before 10 multiply we get first digit as 1. That is, by which 2 numbers, same numbers, multiply we get 1. That number should be before 10. So we get 1 into 1, 1, 9 into 9, 81. So we can check the numbers 1 or 9. If you write 1 near 21, you should write 1 near 4 also. So 41 into 1, 41. It is not equal to 441. Then the other number is 9. Then you should write 9 near 2, that is in the quotient, and 9 near to 4 also. Then multiply 49 into 9. Before writing, you check here 49 into 9 whether it is 441 or not. It is 441. So we can write 9 and 9 in the quotient and 9 near to 4. Then write the product 441 below 441. Then subtract it, we get 0. Then root of 841 equal to 29. Then next question, root of 5776, that is 5776. As in the above question, you group it from right to left, that is from one's place to left. That is 76 one group and 57 another group. Then check whether 57 is a perfect square. No, 57 is not a perfect square. We know that 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64. So 49, after 49, 64 is the perfect square. So 57 is not a perfect square. Its perfect square just before 57 is 49. Its square root is 7. So 7 you write in the quotient 7 and on the left side 7. Then 7 into 7, 49. Subtract it. We get 17 minus 9, 8 and 4 minus 4, 0. Then you bring down the next group 76 and write double of the quotient, that is 7 into 2 on the left side of 876, leaving the place for 1 digit. Then we get 14 as the divisor and 876, and here this is the last group. So we can check like this. Before 10, 4 into 4, 16 and 6 into 6, 36. If you write 4 near to 14, we get 144 into 4. Please multiply it. We get 576. It is not correct. So check 146 into 6. It is 876. So we can write 6 near 7 as quotient and 6 near 14 also. Then you multiply the product here. 876 by minus 876. Subtract it. Then we get 0. So root of 5776 equal to 76. Then next question is root of 10,816. That is, this is a 4-digit number. How can we do it? Here group it we get 16, one group, 6, 1, one group, 8, 0, another group, and 1 is third group. 1 is a perfect square, then square root of 1 is 1. We write 1 and as quotient and on left side also. Then 1 into 1, 1. Subtract it, 0. Let's bring down next group 0, 8. And twice of this one on the left side of this 8, that is 2. Then here only this, for these 2 zeros on left side, no value for that. So we get only the one number 8. Then divisor is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. If you write 4 on the 4 in the quotient and 4 near to 24, we get 96, which is greater than 8. That means we can't divide this group 0, 8 by this 2. So it is not suitable. 4 is not suitable. So we can't divide it. That means we put 1 0 in the quotient and left side near 2. That is 10 into 2, 20. Then you bring down the next group 16. 6 is the units place. So if you multiply 4 into 4, we get 6, and 6 into 6, 36. So we can write either 4 or 6. We can check. If you write 4 near to 20, we get 24 into 4. Multiply it. Then we get 816. So it is correct. So we write 4 near to 10 in the quotient and 4 near to 20 in the left side. Then we multiply it. Then we get 816. Then subtract 0. So root of 10816 equal to 100. Root of 1,06,276. We want to find out the square root of this number, that is 1060 First group it from right to left side. Each consists 2 digits. So 6, 7, one group, 2, 6, another group, 0, 1, another group. Then here in the left side group, 10 is not a perfect square. The perfect square just before 10 is 9. Its square root is 3. So write 3 in the quotient and the left side also. Then multiply 3 into 3, 9. 10 minus 9, 1. Then bring down the next group, 62. Then 3 into 2, 6. You write the double of this quotient 3 on left side. Here it is not the last group. 16 by 6, we get 2 times. 6 2s are 12. So you write 2 near to 6. Then multiply 62 into 2. That is 124, which is less than 162. So you should write 2 in the quotient and near to 6 also. Then multiply it. 124. First you subtract. We get 38. Then bring down the group 76. And on left side, you write the quotient, double of quotient 32 as 64 in the left side, remaining 1 place for another digit. Then here this last group. So check which number is suitable. By multiplying which 2 equal digits, we get 6 as the first place. Then which are the 4 into 4, 16, and 6 into 6, 36. If you write 4, 6, 4, 4 into 4, then we didn't get 3876. So you try 6 is 3876. So write in the quotient 6 and near to 64 6. Then write the product 3876 below 3876. Then subtract it, we get 0. So root of 1,66,276 is 326. I gave 4 types of questions, that is 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit and 6 digits number. The number which are perfect squares. So to find the square root of a perfect square, now long division method, group it from right to left. Each consists 2 digits. Then take the left side group, check whether it is a perfect square. Then if it is a perfect square, then write square root of that on as quotient and on left side also. Then multiply it right below this. And if it is not a perfect square, take the square root of the perfect square just before that number and write it in the quotient and on left side. Then multiply it and write it below the number, then subtract it. Then bring down the next group and write the twice of the quotient in the left side of that by leaving one place for one digit. Then you do the process of division. And the last group, as in the above steps, you write the quotient, double of the quotient on the left side, and check by which two same digits give the first place. Then you test whether which is correct, and you write that number in the quotient and the right side of the left side number also. Then you write the product below this and subtract it. Then we get 0. If it is a perfect square, if it is not a perfect square, we want to find out the decimal places. I will give those questions in the next video. Share this to all your friends, and this is very important for 9th, 10th, 11th students. And click the like button. If you are watching this channel for first time, please subscribe it. Thank you.